Happy birthday, Debbie. We'll be using this Goodwill find of pink roses to make the swag for Debbie's birthday. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more and Emerson's Adventures. Today we celebrate Debby Bubbles' birthday. Happy birthday, Debbie. Her colors were black and pink. So come along and I'll show you my tablescape for Debbie's birthday. Again, Debbie had requested that we use pink and black to celebrate her birthday. I hope you are having a very, very special day, Debbie. And again, happy birthday to you. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done. Here in the center for the centerpiece, I have pink roses for her. I also have a little crown that says happy birthday. And I've used the pink ribbon to tie around this swag. Now this swag is actually a wreath. And what I've done, I went in and added the pink roses. And the roses came out of a flower arrangement that I purchased at Goodwill. And I showed you that at the beginning of the video so you could see how I made the swag. The other flowers were from the Dollar Tree. The crown for Debbie is from the Dollar Tree. The beautiful pink ribbon is also from the Dollar Tree. And the swag wreath was from TJ Maxx. The large candle holders here, I actually, guys, cannot remember where I purchased them as I've had them a very long time. And all I've done, I put the pink bows on each one of the candle holders. In the back, I know Debbie loves tea. I have the little black tea set for tea. So now let me tell you about the place setting I have here. I did not have any black plates that would actually fit where you could show the whole pink plate. So let me tell you about what I've done here. The little glasses that have the pink roses on them were from Goodwill. The wine glasses were a gift. And now I'll break down this place setting for you. The placemat was from Goodwill. The silverware was from Tuesday morning. And what I've done with the plate here, I've went in, I've taken some little pink plastic plates that I had in the cabinet. I put it inside of the charger plate. Then I come back and I've placed the dinner plate inside of the pink plastic plate. And I've left a little edge so when you look at it, you can see that pink plate, okay? The napkins were from Home Goods, and what I've done here, I've just taken a rose and twirled it around the little pink napkin and put the black napkin on the inside of the pink napkin. The black bowl was also a Goodwill find, and what I've done with it to give it a punch, I put the pink decorations inside of it. So that is my place setting, Debbie. I really hope you love it. I think it turned out really good. I didn't know what I was gonna do when they said pink and black, but actually everything I had except of course your little crown and the roses that I purchased from the Goodwill, and just took that arrangement apart and made the swag here. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Debbie's celebration. Debbie, we love you and we hope you have a wonderful birthday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this celebration for Debbie. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.